Hey YouTubers, Technical Studiovers here. Welcome to the first video of Tech News, wherein you can get all the latest updates regarding tech and gaming and all the other stuff, which I found to be fascinating. And I'm your host Bhargav, so let's get started. Before starting with the news, I would like to ask you a question to you. Which are, if you have, suppose, think that you have money and you're given a choice to purchase one of these brand phones. So which one will you choose? Whether it is Apple, whether it is Samsung, whether it is OnePlus, or whether it is another brand. Please answer the poll above and tell me your opinion about it, and also comment down below regarding your answers, and also give this video a like before we get started. Alright, the first news is regarding Mount Everest and 5G, wherein Huawei and Chinese government together have built 5G towers on Mount Everest in the three camps, that is base camp, the transition camp, and also the forward camp. Well, basically Huawei has done this because to prove its superiority and also to gain immense amount of publicity, because Mount Everest is a well-known place among the world, and thousands of people come and try to climb this peak. And also Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world, so obviously Huawei gains so much of publicity by implementing in a remote area like Mount Everest. And also it basically wants to beat all the other networking companies that provide the same networking equipment, but it's facing challenges with the USA allegations. Like, as we all know, Huawei has been alleged of data leak to Chinese government. That is, Huawei is secretly giving information to Chinese government. That's the allegation, but with no proofs. So Huawei has done a fine job this time. Another news is from Huawei itself, and according to a report, Huawei is making a new phone, and it's going to be launched soon, that comes with Google Play services. Yeah, you heard me right. According to that report, Google Play services are being enabled on Huawei phones. Well, basically this stopped last year in May 2019, when USA alleged Huawei that it has been giving information to the Chinese government. So let's see exactly when this phone happens, and I hope everything sets back normal between Huawei and Google, because Huawei's phones are excellent in terms of camera, in terms of performance, and in terms of everything. They're awesome doing phones, and I hope for the best. And the next news is from Lenovo, wherein you get to see the first look of Lenovo Legion's gaming phone, which is a high-end phone. And also there is a image that it is having a side-mounted pop-up camera, wherein the primary camera is 64 megapixel and also 16 megapixel for ultra wide, according to this report. So let's see exactly when Lenovo launches this flagship phone into the market, and when does it come to India. Another news is regarding LG Velvet, and LG has leaked its Velvet phone, and we get to see its first image, like front and back, like how it sees. And it is also rumored that it is having a Snapdragon 765 processor, and also a 48 megapixel main camera, the one which you have seen in OnePlus. So let's see. This phone is coming anyway on May 7th. So let's see about what this phone contains. Another news is from e-commerce companies, wherein they have resumed their deliveries of non-essential items. That is, you can buy electronics, you can buy clothes, you can buy anything in orange and green zones. So if you're staying in orange and green zones, it's a good opportunity for you to buy any product you need. Those of you who need mobile phones, you can get mobile phones. And also Vivo has given an option for retailers delivery, that is you can actually purchase from the retailers as well. With and the retailers, if they are nearby to you, they can come directly and give that phone or any electronic device to you if they have it. The next news is from Motorola, wherein Moto Razr is finally coming to India. Yes, you heard me right. Moto Razr is finally coming to India, and it's priced among 1,24,000 to 1,25,000, and it has been spotted on Flipkart, and it is coming on May 8th. So those of you who want to buy that phone, you can buy it, but I feel like it's not that much necessary right now to buy a phone, and especially on Motorola, I don't think nobody should spend 1,24,000 just for that phone based on its specs as well. It's not that good. But those of you who want to buy can buy it on Flipkart on May 8th. And that's a wrap to the news today. And hope you have enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe, and feel free to comment down below, and regarding any suggestions or anything. Based on that, I'll improve, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and stay home, stay safe.